How do you go from $0 to $100 a day on Amazon as fast as possible? In this video, I'm going to outline the steps that you are going to need to go through if you want to go there first, but more importantly, if you want to go there fast. Okay, so my name is Mangunza. I release videos here every single day to help you with your Amazon business. You should actually subscribe if that's something that you want to do, right? Now, $100 a day, really easy, super easy to actually get to. The first issue that you are going to face is that if you try to sell FBM and if you not understand the difference between FBM and FBA, it's quite simple. FBM means fulfilled by merchant. It's when you hold the product, right? So you buy the product, you buy this right there, and you ship it yourself to customers. The benefits of this is that as soon as you get the product in your hand, it can become available for sale. With FBA, it's different. It's when you actually ship the product to Amazon, they store it, and then they ship it to a customer whenever you get a sale. The issue with that is that it's a great thing to do. It saves a lot of time and you can sell way more units doing that. But the main issue is that by the time you actually get the product in your hand, right, when you actually do, you need to wait a long time for your product to be available for sale because you need to ship it to Amazon, right? They need to receive it, scan it, and send it to its final destination to be available for sale. Except if you do in-stock head start, which we are going to actually talk about in a few. But the main thing, of course, is if you want to get to $100 a day fast, you want to do FBM. The main issue that you're going to face is that when you list product FBM with a new account, you're absolutely not going to get the buy box at all. You can be 75% off the price of the other sellers. You're not even going to win the buy box. Okay? Not at all. So you're not going to get any sales. So what you're going to need to do is, as fast as possible, sell a product that you can sell, that you're going to be ungated on, which we're going to talk about in a few, right? Send one of these products, FBA, literally just put it in a poly mailer, a plastic poly mailer, ship it FBA, just one unit, put it at a discounted price so you can sell it before it even checks in, right? With in-stock head start. You sell it as fast as possible because the minute you get your first FBA sale, everything is going to unlock, okay? It's going to be way easier to actually get sales FBM. So that's the first thing I need you to do, okay? Then, once it's done, I'm going to need you to do a lot of storefront stalking. I have a lot of videos on this channel on how to do storefront stalking. I have one that I released not too long ago. It's going to be linked in the description of this video. I need you to do a lot of storefront stalking. What is storefront stalking? It's looking at what other people are selling on Amazon and finding the product selling the same exact product. What you want to do is you want to look at what other beginners are selling, because if somebody is actually selling, if a beginner is selling something, right, it means that you can sell the product as well as a beginner, or it's really easy to get ungated on, which ungating we're going to talk about it in a few minutes. Okay, so I need you to do a lot of storefront stalking to see all the products beginners are currently selling on Amazon. Whenever you find one where you make a little bit of money, get it, FBM it, sell it FBM, sell it as fast as possible. Okay, the goal as you start is to do volume. Okay, and that's the mistake that a lot of people make. They think that they're just starting, so they're going to spend a little bit of money, but they need to get huge returns on the product, and that's where I disagree. You need to do volume. If you just do 10% of your on your money, right, you need to do it. Don't listen to the bullshit advice that is, you need to have at least a $5 profit on every item and a 30% margin, right? You can work on that later. No, if you make $1 per product that you sell, you're good, you're Gucci, right? That's all you need. You just need volume, because the more volume you do, the more stuff is going to become easier. Which, for example, with what we're going to talk about right now, which is ungating. Now, if you do not know it, when you start selling on Amazon, you're probably not going to be able to sell a lot of things, right? You're just not going to be able to sell a lot of things. For example, right, the grocery category, like all the grocery products are going to be, you're not going to be able to sell them. You're going to need to request approval to sell these, right? By the way, to do this, I have a video as well that I will link below on how to get ungated in the grocery category, right? But what you're going to need to do right, is find, like from those beginners, find the products that they are selling, because if they are selling them, you can probably sell them as well, right? So I need you to find these, and I need you to sell as many as you can, even if, right, you just make 50 cents on a product. Yeah, and there are some products where you're going to lose money because you're going to make mistakes. That's fine, okay? The goal right now should be to do volume, because as soon as you actually reach $10,000 in a month, everything's going to open up for you. It seems to be like kind of the magic number, right? Now, you don't need to get to $1,000 to $10,000 just yet. The goal is just to get to $100. But like, even if on those $100 a day you just make like $15 profit, that's amazing. Okay, that's $15 profit a day, right? 15 times 30, right? And you make $450 a month profit on Amazon, right? Just with $100 in sales. Okay, that's it. So really easy. You just find a lot of these beginner products and you just do volume on them. Okay, and $100 is nothing. You can get to $100 really, really fast just by finding 2-3 products. That's all you need. And I need you to FBM them. Okay, then while you do this in parallel, I need you to get ungated in the grocery category. The reason why is that in the grocery category, there's a lot of beginner opportunities that you're going to be able to make a lot of money on. There's constantly fast-selling products that are there with good profit margins on which you're going to be able to make a lot of money. Okay, and that are going to do volume. So if you follow these few steps, right, you just follow these few steps, you sell a lot of these products, right, you do volume, and then you transition from volume to actually like working on increasing your profit margin and working on increasing your return on investment. By the time you get approved in the grocery category, I mean, as soon as you get approved in the grocery category, you should be able to get your first $200 to $300 a day. Okay, in the next few days, you should reach $300 a day really, really fast with FBM by focusing 100% on pickup orders from stores like Walmart, Target, all these grocery stores where you can actually find products that you are going to find by doing storefront stalking. The game plan is as simple as that. To be 100% honest, if you do this the smart way, like even if you're dumb, you can run this up to $500 a day by itself, just by following these steps. You don't need more, okay? If you can play your hand smart, like you can be smart playing your hand, you can reach, just with this method, you can go to $100 to $1,000 a day. I'm sorry, $1,000 a day with this method is really, really easy, okay? It's not going to take you much time. It's going to be mainly FBM. So of course, you're going to need to drive to the store to drop your shipments, right? It is what it is, okay? You don't start from day one with a business that is automated, especially if you want to scale it up fast. But grocery, FBM, really, really fast, like that's the easiest way to get to $100 per day. And you can scale that up to $1,000 per day if you're a little bit smart and you actually keep improving your systems, right? With these easy methods. Now, if you want a step-by-step guide on all the steps that I outlined in this video, there's going to be a link in the video description, right? Where there's going to be videos specifically going over every single step that I talked about, right? So just check it out. And then on my YouTube channel, you'll find years of videos of tutorials to actually help you with this. So you have no excuses. And if you need more help, if you want my help to actually help you scale your business, there's a link in the description. Let's hop on the call. Let's talk and let's get you started, or let's get scaling, like let's scale your business. All right. I'll see you in the